the quickest way that I can think of to make your bed up is when you're already laying down in it, okay? So, the best thing to do is just to spread out the covers, okay? Spread out the covers. Sometimes you could just kick it over with your feet. I don't know how this would work if you with someone, have them help you. But yeah, because nothing's worse than getting out of bed and then, getting busy and not wanting to do anything. Okay, so what I do is I just kick the covers over and then with my pillows, make your bed up before you get out of bed. That's the easiest thing to do. Fluff your pillows up. All right. Okay. And then when you step out the side, pretty much your bed is already made up. Voila.